I'm about to reveal to you 3 little-known ways to win in your separation or divorce. Many spouses get too caught up in the anger, frustration, and anxiety of their separation or divorce to start acting strategically to win in their family law case. However, if you step back and take a deep breath, you can settle your family law issues when you take a well-thought-out strategic approach to your separation or divorce. Hi, my name is Thomas O'Malley. I'm an experienced family lawyer in Durham Region and the GTA. The first key, little-known way to win in your separation or divorce is to take your spouse to family court when they need a push over the line to realize you're serious. Your spouse might not take you too seriously that you want a reasonable amount of spousal support, a property settlement, and a common sense arrangement for custody, access, and parenting time for your children. In this situation, you take your spouse to court to get a deal or settlement. You take this action since your spouse will see that you're indeed serious about protecting your family law rights. When you have a stubborn spouse, you can often get a fair and reasonable settlement in court when your spouse now sees that you mean business, since you took them to family court and they were not expecting that. I call this the take your spouse to court to get a reasonable deal way to settle and protect your family law rights. The next approach is what I call the coffee house approach. You use this approach when your spouse is a fairly reasonable person, but you have reached some problems in trying to settle certain issues in your separation or divorce. Often your lawyer and your spouse's lawyer have been trying to negotiate a settlement or separation agreement. However, your lawyer runs into some obstacles. If you still have at least a decent relationship with your former spouse, you should contact them and tell them you want to meet to discuss the matters in your family law case. In many cases, people meet their former spouse over coffee to discuss these important issues. That's why it's called the coffee house approach. You meet with your spouse to discuss how to settle the outstanding legal issues in your separation or divorce. This will often let you and your spouse have a good discussion about the matters still outstanding. You have a good opportunity to actually settle these issues once and for all. When you and your spouse reach an agreement in principle, you get your family lawyer to put the terms of what you agreed on in a court settlement proposal or separation agreement. The third approach is to make sure you put together a list of exactly what you want in a settlement and give it to your lawyer after you understand your family law rights. It's critical that your list is based on what you can reasonably achieve based on the application of Ontario family law principles to your particular situation. Your family lawyer will work closely with you to create a final court settlement or separation agreement based on what you want in a final settlement. If you have any questions about your separation, divorce, or family law case, and you'd like our help, there's a few ways to contact our office. You can leave a message on my Facebook Law Office page, that's O'Malley Family Law. Visit my website at www.canadiandivorcelegalaladvice.com or call me directly at 905-434-8837. We would be happy to speak to you. Oh, by the way, did you know you can protect your family law rights? You get essential information on settling your family law issues with your former spouse with the daily, indispensable family law advice and tips at my free Facebook group. Go to Facebook and search Durham Region Separation and Divorce Legal Support Group in the top search bar. You'll find the group and join. Thanks for watching this video. Make it a fantastic week. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.